Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to use Nearpod. Nearpod is a tool for teachers to create interactive lessons for their students. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find a pre-made lesson using Nearpod. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to nearpod.com. I'm already logged into my account, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Explore button. This will bring you to a page where you can type in any keywords you're looking for in the search bar, or you can choose this filter button, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that all of our lessons are free. So this will bring you to a page that has dozens and dozens of lessons for all different grades and subjects. So if you pick one that you want, we're going to go ahead and click on this one, this Welcome Back lesson. You can go ahead and actually click this Preview button, and this will give you an opportunity to check out the lesson before you save it. So this one looks good, so then we're going to click the Add to My Library button. And when you do that, it's now downloaded into your library so you can have all of these lessons saved. So we're going to go ahead and click Show in My Library. And here's the lesson again. So if you want, you can continue to preview it, or if you're ready to present to your students, you can click this Live Lesson button, and this will actually create a link for all of your students to use on their own devices so that they can participate in with your lesson. So if there was like a quiz or a short answer, or they can just follow through on the slides. And that is all you have to do to find a pre-made Nearpod lesson and present it to your classroom. Again, Nearpod is a great way to provide interesting lessons for your students in which they can be involved in.